Put your volume up, put your phone down somewhere, and just close your eyes and let this word sink in. Here we go again, huh? Back on the app. One more video. Just one more, right? Getting a little too comfy and endless scrolling, aren't we? What about that to-do list? Gathering dust, the one with exercise? Read, cook, learn, waiting for a sign to get started? Well, this is it. Funny how these videos are so addictive yet. They making you happier, healthier, smarter, motivated? Let's be real. We both know the answer. You're just sinking deeper into this digital sand while your real life waits on the sidelines. Try putting the phone down. Weird, I know, but there's a whole world outside this tiny screen, full of real people, real experiences, real joy. Ever wonder what you're missing? Your dreams aren't waiting for the next video to end. They're out there in the real world, and every moment you're here is one less out there. Remember, your life is happening now, and every tick of the clock is a moment you will never get back. But hey, who am I to tell you that? I'm just another one more video in your endless scroll.